gain some monetary.
What's good, YouTube?
Some silver haze.
Turn him up, actually.
Smoking it while playing my newest video, Purple Dragon.
This video is lemon cherry gelato.
I need to turn queso down.
That's way too loud, maybe. Alright.
Sounds good.
This video is lemon cherry gelato. Cheers. This video is all about risk reduction and strain reviewing. I have a snack. I've ingested it. It's the video, but it's lemon cherry, and that's what we're vaping. Also, oh my god, I forgot to even show, because he's got a third camera going, which is somehow too bright to even see on this TV from this phone. There we go. It's got a focus on it.
I decided I was in the mood for that.
And shit. So I mean, he's talking about that alien. We're actually smoking alien cookies as well on this
Incepted.
Virtuosphere, and we are incepting a video.
Oh, Jesus Christ!
But
I don't have a seat. Oh my god! I have to hit an extremely awkward angle.
Then I vaped some more of the video, which is lemon cherry gelato. I'm gonna switch it out and do some switcheroos in this video. We're switching back to the alien cookies. Is very low.
I think you might run out of battery at any moment. But just yeah, and then here I am. I'm baked ham, but
Lemon cherry gelato.
While it's still going, we're still here.
The cookie.
We're still making the video.
There. Now you can see it.
As well. We can dual fist.
The phone's probably freaking out right now. It's like, this is too much data. I can't even get the second audio.
Banana 17. Actually, that's big ham.
I probably got to turn this. I'm going to turn it up even more.
Check. Did a stream review of this morning. Smash Bros. Not Smash Bros. But
Smunk Bros.
It's delicious and it's great.
I'm also going to Oreo Blizzard myself. It's Oreo Blizzard. There's so many words crossing because of it. Inception. I wonder if I can get like a different view on this.
CBD leaner, silver haze.
Why is it such a? Why is it so bright? It's because I'm smoking the video while we're watching it. It's an Oreo Blizzard. Or is it? It's Super Haze, Silver Haze.
A little bit.
Are you vaping Silver Haze?
It's good.
You did?
It's actually a primo grow of Silver Haze. It's tasting.
God damn.
Actually, really good.
This is skills, right? Oreo Blizzard. Oreo Blizzard driving skills inside of a blizzard.
Your bud and your videos.
He's Silver Haze. He's Purple Dragon.
How many times can you say
Oreo Blizzard. But this is lemon cherry gelato.
Yeah. In the video. You gotta do.
You gotta.
Big hand tells.
It's gotta capture all the audio. Why can't? What the fuck? What in the fuck?
your silver haze.
This is the hardest thing to film in the history of ever. What the? Oh, there we go. There's good. There we go. There.
I'm just recreationally smoking and ranting. I'm not actually.
Holy Jesus Christ. What the fucking Christ?
Associated with them or anyone who grows it.
The lemon cherry gelato is changing its genetics mid-stream. I'm going to switch now to the alien cookies.
It's not. It's seen whoa. It's not what I was saying. The opposite. It's not. Oh shit.
Okay. He spilt it, but I have succeeded.
You don't even understand. To everyone you know. Listen to this shit.
Alien cookies.
It's a staple. Dude, silver haze was huge.
Oh my lord.
When they came out like Super Surfer Haze or some shit.
Belgium. Don't go.
What's it called? Goddamn. Alien.
Blizzard.
Alien cookie.
Boba Boyz.
I'm out of things to say. This has been.
I'm not, no.
Because he's vaping Oreo Blizzard. I'm vaping alien cookies. He's not vaping anything. But he's also smoking Silver Haze. And I'm smoking alien goddamn cookies while the video is lemon cherry gelato.
Why is this video? That's what
Bro.
happens. That's what happens.
Oreos. And Blizzard.
But Blizzard, yeah. But it's an Oreo. Yeah, switch to Oreo Blizzard, everybody.
He's smoking.
Everyone switch your cart to Oreo Blizzard.
That bastard. I have it. Actually, I just ran out. But I'm smoking Oreo Blizzard right now. It's Silver Haze.
I faked out, but I have the other one in my hand still.
Actually, that's what it was.
There we go. Okay.
Evaporated down to a thick moonshine extract combined with
My God.
ecstasy.
Making 3 strains in one video.
I should imagine, but I have nothing but pineapple glazed baked ham in the oven. Baked glazed
Oreo Blizzard.
after it was glazed and then is now baking, but I already did with Oreo Blizzard.
Holy Jesus Christ. Silver Haze. Alien.
I'm getting stoned
We are getting baked in this video.
with alien
Like and
cookies.
subscribe to all people.
Yesterday.
And then share.
What's at the same time?
Because I'm vaping Oreo Blizzard.
A convergence.
And that's what's up.
A
Because
silver haze.
if you can,
bullet.
if you
I think
can
that's a stream.
do these things all at the same time, you would know what lemon cherry gelato is. Which I will give a strain review on Super Banana 1700 same time
Actually,
YouTube channel this morning. When the morning comes, that's when I'll do my stream review. This is being recorded at some other interface.
Smoke that shit,
Oreo Blizzard.
motherfucker. No.
Holy Jesus
Because we're
Coronadoos.
vaping, and then we're smoking. Oh my God.
Am I the master of improv and Inception at the same time? I would say. This is an Oreo Blizzard of lemon cherry gelato, everybody. How can I not get this guy on camera?
And just taste it.
You're on camera. Yes,
Feel the effect.
I'm vaping the effect. Holy, what the fuck? Oh my God. This is completely freeform. This is fucking hilarious.
At the same time, on a different spectrum.
Fucking shit.
Bake.
What?
This is like
Yes.
it's a
He already knows what I'm doing. I'm lemon cherry. The camera is upside down now. Holy
That's
shit.
what I meant.
Oh my God.
That's what that was like. And that's what that will always be.
And then
now,
This is encouraging to smoke because I can't. It's just, how do you not smoke this while you're doing this? In an Oreo Blizzard, lemon cherry gelato flavored alien cookie.
actually like really stoned.
device. Oh, space.
It's catching up.
Dude, I'm fucking high as a monkey already.
This shit's fucking delicious. Holy Christ.
Oh my Jormanis. Jormanis?
I will. I am. My God.
Jormandy. Journey. I'm trying to say journey.
Hey.
It's hard. Holy shit, I outlasted the fucking video? Oh, I ran out of battery when I was making it.
Our founders made
Holy
a
God!
promise to always take care of their own.
What in the
That
fucking
promise is
Christ?
still at the heart of everything we
Dude.
do. And why our members know we'll do what's right.
Alien
Because at
cookies,
USA,
everybody.
We take
Or
care
whatever
of
the
our own.
fuck is in here now.
What makes Arby's $7.99 meat in 3 box
It's
even better?
alien
Fish.
cookies.
That's right. The meal
Oreo
that contains 3
fucking
sides. Now includes the
Shizzle a
choice of a
dizzard
crispy fish sandwich.
crispy
Talk
fish
about
sandwich.
more meals on your money.
When you smoke the video.
We have the meat.
Again, YouTube, this video has been lemon cherry gelato, and I just smoked it. Share this to people all around. Everybody. This has been baking a ham with a goat that's roaming in the massive W of now gonna watch queso with my morning. Check out Super Banana 17 and peace out. Oreo Blizzard.
Stream taking online.